Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, a Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation.
Chief, your food.
What is this, Ireti?
Chicken and vegetable in soup sauce Katar. You see, it's a little experiment I just tried
Ireti,
to...
you want me to eat experiment? Ireti, do I look like a guinea pig to you?
No, don't worry me. I just tried to put some things...
I thought I saw the children eating rice.
The rice is here. But you see, Yellow Papa didn't prepare inside dish like a plantain or moi moi. So I decided to make salad. But don't worry me. Why is it that every time in this house you do not appreciate me or the effort I put into my dishes? My culinary experience wastes because you don't appreciate what I
look, how can I eat food that I do not understand? Chicken gada.
Gata.
Gata, so gada. What is it?
It simply means chicken with salad.
Why do you give food fancy name to frighten people?
Just try it. Don't worry me. Just try it.
All right. If I try your chicken, your gada, you promise that you will cooperate with me henceforth.
I will cooperate.
In everything?
I promise. It's a promise.
All right. I will try your gada.
Try it.
I'm coming. I think it's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Don't worry me. It's sweet.
Gada is sweet. Try it with the rice.
Enjoy it.
Gada.
I said we do not wear this kind of clothes in our house. I'm carrying your bag. Move that boat tie.
Put on Ankara. Senegal. Don't talk close. Not my thing. Boat tie.
Where is he going?
You don't pass. Let's pass it. See this for you.
No.
Who is on the phone? New Pikin on the phone. You have not entered and you are on the phone. So that Chief will not allow us to hear what after. In this house, we do not use the phone.
Yes.
And Nama show. Chief and his multitude. Look at the house. Look at the fine mess you people have made of this house. Clean up the. Clean up the office. Nonsense.
This is a simple case of transfer aggression.
What?
Begin.
Who made a mess of this kitchen?
Mommy CP.
Hey, what is that rat doing in my kitchen every corner? Eh?
Making a career for Papa.
Hey, Kiri, what? Who begged her? Who begged her, eh?
There's fire on the mountain.
Run. A big fire.
Run.
There's fire on the mountain.
Run.
A big fire.
Run.
There's fire on the mountain.
I say a big fire.
Run.
Hey! So, I say a big fire.
Run.
The House of Commotion, and I'm so sorry for everything when they've arised and all that.
Dear one, Chicha, who asked you to cook a crivet for Chief? Eh? Did I beg you?
She was only helping.
Yes, I was only helping.
Did I beg you? Wanyo Bioma? Eh? I beg you?
Oh, it was only a side dish.
Chineke. Which one is side dish be kono?
Do you know how to cook?
Oh. Is it not the rice that I cooked that is entering your mouth with great alacrity, Inkwa?
Instead of being grateful that I made your dry rice more palatable.
Ayongi, did I beg you? Okay, since you have decided to help me in the kitchen, I will help you out with your week.
Impossible. But Chief, I was only helping. I was only helping. Chief, I was helping.
Who brought that Pikin downstairs?
Oh, he's the son of Chief's friend who lives in London.
Yes.
And the friend named him Taju after him.
No. His name is Adeo. Ade, not Taju. Ade. Cooperation.
And his name is Ade.
Ade what? Is he Ade Bowale like you?
Chief, what you said? Yellow Popo. The boy is Ade. The son of Chief's friend who lives in London.
With his nose like that of a guinea fowl. He reminds me of one guinea fowl that Chief used to follow Papariorio like one. Before she ran to London to go and marry one Oyibo Kwara. Chief, is he not Caroson?
Chief! Eh? Chief! But you said this boy is...
Anyway, Chief, as they are coming one by one, make sure you share your property to everybody. Because when come to become, who no go know. Eat your side plate.
Chief!
Ireti, let me tell you, we have cooperation agreement. So no firm, any firm, I will allow peace to help you with your baby. So no firm. Yes, who are you? Yes, what is it?
I want to go home now.
Home? I thought you wanted to know your father. Do you know me now?
Well, I can't know you. I mean, I can't know you in the midst of this cacophony of noises. Maybe I'll call you. Or I'll send you an email if you have a computer.
Sit down.
Okay. Thank you.
What is the problem?
They made my life miserable.
Who?
All of them. I mean, all of them, except the deaf one. Yeah.
I will discipline them.
No, please don't do that. Don't do that. They said they're gonna make my life miserable if I report to you.
They said that?
Yeah.
I will show them, Pepe. I will show.
Oh, please, sir. Please, I don't want that. All I want is your permission for me to use your phone so I can call my mom so she can come and pick me up. That's all. Please.
I will. Where are they? I will grab you! Bero! Mo! Ola! Jumoke! Alaba! Alabi! Come, all of you! Come inside! Come here, all of you! Come inside! Come inside! Nonsense! Alabi! Come! Mo! Ola! Everybody! Bero! Come in! Yes. Come inside. Papa. So, it is all of you that said that this boy should not stay in the house. You are making the service.
Chief beats them very well. And their own is too much self.
Shut up your scattered teeth, info.
Yellow artificial purple. You are only jealous of my teeth.
Mbog, this teeth.
If you are not jealous, you will be talking about my teeth all the time. With your yellow oily teeth. You are only jealous about my lovely beautiful teeth. Oily teeth.
You want to kill the children? Don't you ever interfere in my business again. People call Ozutan Council. Nonsense. Sounds like baby mixer. Oh, yeah, Chief. Don't kill my children, don't kill them. And what is it?
That is wahala.
Chief is the wahala, and Ireti is the additional palava. The multiplication wahala is the nonsense speaking when Caro sent come our house.
Caro?
Don't you know Caro? That one that ran away with the Oyibo white man to go and marry in London.
Caro?
Mama Moji. The one that Chief wanted to marry and she wanted people.
Caro! That river girl.
The
one with Oju Kokoro, big Oju Kokoro, who wants a flat and yes, at Victoria High.
Nah, she. It is because of her stupid son that Chief wants to kill my children.
It's Rabiu there. It's Rabiu there.
So, Mama Moji, if Rabiu not dead there, you can't do anything.
Rabiu, are you there?
Mommy, I'm inside there.
Chief!
You not anything. You not anything. You not anything. Next time, when a child comes back, you will know how to treat it.
You said it's your friend's son from London on holiday.
Go. Come on, out. Oh, yes. Go. Get out, my friend. It's all nonsense. Can.
Yes. So, Caro Pikin, what is your name?
I'm Taji.
His father's name.
But Chief, you said that...
Cooperate, or I will cancel.
No, Mommy. He's the son of a Chief's friend in London on holiday.
Why not? Yes. Caro lives in London. Yeah. And she's not a Chief's enemy either.
But Chief, you said that there is...
Shut up and cooperate.
I will not cooperate any longer, Jared Chief. I won't cooperate, no wonder. You don't want to give me money for the scan. Because you have children, you're from outside, Chief, you have finished me, You have finished me. I won't agree. I must have my own child today. I must have my own child. Oh yes. Chief, now, I must have my own child. I don't want to. What am Don't step on me. You're blocking me.
Are you transparent? Don't mind it.
No, come on. He's going there again. He's going there again.
Go, John. Move.
Oh, get away from there, my friend. Go away from there.
If anyone goes there, who actually will have to go for what is that? It's our brother, shut up.
The trial will convince you.
That is the way to the toilet, Jalo, up there.
When our body stops spinning off.
Come on, my dear, sit down.
It has not stopped. It has not stopped, I say. Shut up.
Come on, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Shut up.
No, brother. Your brother. It's your brother.
Let me go and have a bath and put on something more comfortable. Settlement for you, settlement for me, settlement for everybody. Settle me, settle you.
Chief, I've come for my settlement.
Yamuji, please.
I see one lace for market today. Agbaeni. They call it hand weaving cord satin lace. Beautiful. Latest. And
How much is it?
20,000 for 6 years.
Yamuji, that is too expensive.
And I want 12 years. BC and I.
That is 40,000.
Settlement náà ni
You want to kill me?
Settlement náà ni. If not, if my children here, I will not be here to beg them when they start to display.
But Yamuji, I have already bought you 46 clothes.
You will still buy more. Because more children will come. The child that says his mother is not sleep. The child is not sleeping.
Number one is companion, the number two, conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. It is like the Confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion.
I wonder what you going to tie all this with.
Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Come again. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you
Hey, Ireti, you bath with perfume?
Mommy, that's the way Chief wants it.
Here, please, don't let him faint or enter into coma because of your factory perfume.
Jealousy.
Yeah. Me, jealous you, one chicha. Yeah.
Peace. I could have had enough time to exchange words with you, but you see, I have something more important to do.
Sorry.
Honey, it is I. Honey, don't worry me. I have come. Where is Chief?
He's go to the bank.
This night.
Yes, sir. Home branch.
Mommy, stop pulling my legs, eh?
Which leg? If they pull this leg, won't it break one chicha?
But why? Why is it that my week always attracts attention? Why can't you guys give us space? Why?
Ireti. Me guys, Abi. And I know. I want my wig back. The one I give you when you first come.
Kobe. Let me tell you, there is nothing that will disturb me from entering into this room this night. Yes, so no Ogun, Shogo, or Shokmono that will stop me. Okay? To be forewarned is to be ready for war.
Mama Moji, here. My people say that when you wake up in the morning, since say your chicken, don't they bark like dog? Shine, 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 shine. Yeah. Just pick race and take off. Because the chicken if it don't grow teeth overnight.
Abio. Yes, sir. I grew teeth.
Mama,
and I will bite. Oh yes, I will bite whoever will want to enter into that place and disturb me this night. Okay? Excuse me.
Hey! Chief, what are you doing with the Nukulu Nuego this time?
Nukulu what?
Morning. Chief, I dare your side though.
Kumi, I will see you later.
No, settle me now.
Settle you for what? Are you police?
Chief, settle me now.
Mama Moji, since when did you become a police officer?
Kumi, I will see you tomorrow.
Nothing happen here unless you settle me.
Okay. See me see Toron for Chabikon. Are they here? 9 chicken don't they fly for night? And Guanu Chief, settle Biko and cooperate with me too.
You see the palaver that
Are you settled or you want to see the Agbajantis wahala?
Yes, oh Chief. It is that Agbajantis palava and wahala that you will see this night if you don't settle.
Come and cooperate, Jerry. Please, Sonny.
you women.
Sonny, me.
Please
now. Honey, come on.
So, well, you women we can go.
We will not kill you. If we kill you, who will train our children?
And Carrot Pikin.
Oh.
Settle, honey.
Settle.
Settle.
Tobo no easy. Tobo no easy.
Next time you think of burning, always remember settlement.
Settle. You will give your
Settle.
Yes, give me.
Yes. Hey, Ireti.
Give me.
Ireti.
You will give your.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, a Fuji House of Commotion. Keeping practical solutions.